Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress offline. Developing WordPress websites locally offers numerous advantages. You can build and test new features, themes, and plugins without needing an internet connection or incurring hosting costs. This provides a safe, private sandbox environment to experiment and learn. It's perfect for beginners to practice or for experienced developers to refine projects before they go live. This method ensures your live site remains untouched during development. To begin, you'll need local server software. Popular choices include XAMPP, which is free and works across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, providing Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Another excellent option is Local by Flywheel, known for its user-friendly interface and one-click WordPress setup. These tools transform your computer into a web server, allowing WordPress to run just as it would on a live hosting environment. Once your local server is running, download the latest WordPress version from wordpress.org. Next, create a new empty database for your site using phpMyAdmin, which is usually included with your server software. Then, extract the WordPress files into your local server's web directory, often named htdocs. Finally, open your web browser, navigate to your local site address, and follow the simple 5-minute WordPress installation prompts. With WordPress installed locally, you can now freely develop and customize your website. When your site is ready, migrating it to a live server is straightforward. You can use popular migration plugins such as Duplicator or all-in-one WP Migration. These tools package your entire local site, including files and database, into one exportable file. Then, you simply import this package onto your live hosting account, making your site publicly accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.